package is pretty beat up from the UPS guys. I guess they like to throw your stuff around when it's heavy. I hope the thing inside isn't too beat up. Looks like they added lots of their own packing tape along the way. Uh-oh, loose pieces. There's a lock washer. I wonder how many of those escaped the box on the way. It's kind of nice. I like to do that on all my hydraulic jacks. Big Red, 1,500-pound motorcycle jack. Floor jack for motorcycles. Let me get rid of this cardboard and I'll be right back. Alright, that's step one. Put the jack in. The little handle goes forward. And that completes the assembly of the motorcycle jack. So I think now what we need to do is what the air purge, and so we'll do that next. Okay, they want you to open this up fully. Then they want you to give this like several pumps. And then kind of bleed the air right here at this rubber. And I could hear some air coming out. Now they say your jack is ready for use. Let's see how it does. It looks like full travel right there. Then I suppose you'd probably want to let it down onto the stop. And that would be it right there. Shut that down. And there you are. So not bad. So it looks like the lifted height is 15.5 inches. Give or take, 16, 15 3/4, I guess, give or take. So it looks like there's some tie-down loops on here. If you wanted to use those, and there's some up here on the front, right here. And yeah, so the reason I bought this is because I thought I might need this when it's time to take the engine out of the valve. So I'm not sure how that's going to go yet, but when I thought I need something that would roll easily, that was fairly low profile, that I could slip under there and that I could raise up and then use it to drop the engine down and then move the frame or the jack, depending on what I have to do to get the engine out of there. So that's the whole point of this. Yeah, pretty nice. I like it. Excellent.